Everyone, this is Nemo Vlog, si Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Ang kinagaligawan natin ng reaction video, ang Kimpa compilation, continuation to kanina ha, kasi never ko pa ito mapanood ng full episode eh.
So parang when there are times na kami lang ni Stella and it's
Si Kim,
a
si
bit
Kim.
more quiet.
Nakikinig talaga siya.
Filming for this project different from before. This level, parang every episode was like a movie to me.
Parang gano'n na rin siya. Parang sinut naman siya parang movie kasi this will be shown in 240 countries. So parang
Wow,
siguro
grabe.
yung production namin is ano na rin 5 steps higher than how we are.
Hindi naman, but there's really an effort to
Elevate. To elevate.
All right, next is, do you think everyone deserves a second chance kahit yung mga alibay nila ay walang kakwenta-kwenta?
Ayan.
It depends. Ako kasi hindi talaga ako naniniwala ng second chance. Not naman in general full, but
Okay.
some things are not worth the second chance. Yeah, pero hindi lahat. So, yun.
Ako naman, I'm the other way around. So, syempre, kapag bali-bali yung alibay nila, hindi pa dapat bigyan ng chance. But once siguro natanggap nila, ako I believe in changes. I believe people change no matter kung anong pinagdaanan nila sa buhay or I just strongly believe that people could change because if not, then why not look at yourself in the mirror and parang sinasabi mo nung hindi mo mababago yung mga pangit mong ugali or yung mga ayaw mo sa sarili mo. So ako, I believe people should be given second chances and people could change.
Tumagos sa puso nung sinabi niya yung pangit ng ugat. What's your favorite scene na you're excited for your fans to see?
Ako, favorite ko, one of my favorites is yung first dance ko as, Alegria. Papanood din natin sa episode 1.
We have this certain location na kita
Yung ba yung napasa siya?
Hindi lang masyadong maganda yung amoy ng lugar, pero magandang tignan. So, gusto ko yung mga example.
Saan bridge po ito?
Sa Cebu, Sisilex.
Okay.
It's a new
Hindi pala
bridge.
siya bridge, highway pala siya.
Hindi daw masyado maano yung amoy.
Hindi, ito yung bridge. Ito yung eksena namin.
So under, alright. I'm actually gonna check. Okay.
Kailan yung next line?
Siya po muna and then next cover ulit. 1,
Ay.
2.
Patingin. Ay.
Hindi ka cute.
Hindi kita gusto.
Nagsisinungaling ka.
Ay.
Mas sinungaling ka.
Nagsisinungaling ka na hindi mo ako gusto.
Ay.
Nakita ko sa mata mo.
Nagkagandahan ka talaga sa akin.
Oo.
Ay, pumikit siya!
Bawal ako
Puta.
Bawal. Pwede
Ay, pwede. Ayan. Oh, lalaki.
3.
Ang cute ito.
Ang sexy mo.
Ay.
Talo.
Talo siya. Ang sexy.
Na-speechless ako. Like, oh my God. Naniniwala na talaga akong sexy ako.
Was that real or was that an alibi?
They'll have to watch the show to find out. Parang may kinalaman eh. No?
Ikaw yung talo, parang siya po yung napagod.
Oh my God,
kasi
nakakatawa
effort
pala
yun sa
to.
kanya mag-compliment. Salamat.
Okay.
Ay, nice shirt.
Okay.
Ano yan?
Nice shirt.
Ayan.
Alibi din ba yan? Next game is for our dear Kim Pao fans, of course. Na isa po ako doon. I was so excited to see your chemistry. So speed round,
Sige,
what is your
go.
alibi? So I'll give you a situation. You have to imagine it. You guys can act it. It's up to you guys. And then you just have to think about an alibi. So you didn't reply to a text for 3 days sa jowa mo. What is your alibi?
Hindi kasi yung nilalaro kong online game, ano siya, basta hindi mo
Ano?
kasi,
Ano pa?
diba hindi ka techie?
Are you buying it? Are you buying his alibi?
Hindi ko alam eh. Pwede ka naman mag-reply, di ba?
Diba? Okay po, Ate Kim. What is your alibi?
Sorry, I'm meditating. Sorry, nagme-meditate kasi ako eh.
Okay. You were late to an important date. May date po kayong pareho. Na-late siya. Anong magiging alibi mo?
Na-late ka. May nilalaro kasi ako eh.
May nilalaro kasi ako,
Ayun.
tapos nagkasakit yung aso ko, so inalagaan ko muna. Minake sure ko muna na stable siya bago ako. Sorry.
Not buying it. Wala kang aso.
Tsaka yung mga pusa ko.
May pusa po ba siya?
May aso
Sabi
ako.
niya. May pusa ka?
May aso ako.
Aso?
Oo. Paano mo alam? Nakapunta ka na ba sa bahay ko?
Napaka-uwi. Na-late ako sa date. Oh my gosh, kasi nagkasakit yung pamangkin
Pwedeng round 2.
Ba't parang favorite mo
So,
to?
na-late ako sa date. Sorry. I tried my best to look perfect for you.
Oh! Kinikilig siya, oh!
Pero tapusin na lang natin yun doon. Can this dream become a reality?
Actually, that's a very good alibi because you know you're lying pero you cannot help but buy into it.
Yes, yung mga nasushoot sa banga, yun, kakainin nila yun.
Okay, how about this? Nakalimutan mo mag-toothbrush. Ano ang alibay
So,
mo?
ew.
Ano alibay?
Ay, hindi nyo panoodin natin to.
Kayo, tapos, ay, naamoy mo.
May kissing scene.
May kissing
Tapos,
scene.
round two.
Sorry, Direk. Pwedeng hindi na lang mag-kissing scene kasi strict yung parents ko. Hindi namin pa yung magulang. Yung parents ko hindi pwede mag-kissing scene.
Paolo Avellino and
We're here at the
Ay,
end of the
ano to?
line for What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Anong nararamdaman niya na we're here at the finale celebrating it?
Pinali. Anyways, ito to.
Me and Paolo talk all the time.
Ayan.
Yung latest
Enjoy. This is Kinyo Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye!